Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix TikTok not opening issue solved. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. Firstly, make sure that your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on. So guys, first of all, go to Play Store, tap on search bar and search TikTok app. Uninstall your app and reinstall again from Play Store and go back. So guys, you need to open your mobile phone setting and open your mobile phone apps. Now tap on search bar and search TikTok app. Open the TikTok app, tap on storage and tap on clear cache and go back. Now tap on permission and all permission turn on. After this go back. After this your problem still not solved, then restart your device, so your problem will be fixed. After doing all these steps, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.